Hello everybody, NF15 Diecast here, and welcome to another Hot Wheels International D-Case unboxing. The super treasure hunt for this is the 89 Mercedes from last year, and the regular treasure hunt is going to be the Chevy, I believe it's the Bel Air. It's a purple Chevy. All right, without further ado, let's bust into it. I do want to flaunt my new mat here. It is pretty dope, I'm not going to lie. But as you can see, it is still sealed and no double tape that I could find, so hopefully we can pull another, that's right, another super treasure hunt. We already pulled the super treasure hunt. Our first super treasure hunt of the year was in the last case, the C case. That's the Mercedes. If you want to go watch that because you missed it, I'll probably throw a link somewhere in here, or you can just go to the channel and grab that link for yourself. But I was shaking when I unboxed that. So let's see, a lot of cool cars in this case. Actually, I'm looking forward to this case probably the most so far for the year, mainly for that Mercedes. And right off the bat, we have the Glory Chaser in orange, the 15 Mazda MX-5 Miata from the last case, and the Night Dragon also from the last case as well. Oh, this is new to the case. The Boom Car. It's a big old cannon. Back to the Future Time Machine hover mode for this one. And the 92 Honda Civic EG. There it is in all of its glory. So far, so good. A Nissan Skyline GTR BCN R33, the Godzilla. We seem to get one of these the last 2 years. We got one last year, and here is the version for this year. Still no deco on the front. Deco on the back, though. The wheelie chair, got that from the last one. And the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, not the regular treasure hunt. This is the Gasser version of that. Moving on, we got the Rock and Roll, no one cares. The McLaren Solus GT, we got that in the last case with the side paint on there. And another Night Dragon. Yeah. All right. Up next is the 87 Audi Quattro. We had this last year, but here it is now in just regular, like, street paint, I guess. I don't know, civilian paint, we'll call it. The Land Rover Series 2 in this beautiful gray and orange on black on yellow. Actually, kind of matches the Premium Off-Track Series. And here's an Alfa Romeo GT-V6 3.0 also, and we'll call it these civilian colors, because we got the racing kind from the last year. And moving on, we have the DeLorean Alpha 5. What the? I'm pretty sure this looks like a lot of other cars off the bat, but I wouldn't have guessed a DeLorean. And here it is, a custom 68 Camaro in red, number 81 out of the bunch. I think I actually pulled one in the last case, in the C case, but it's actually supposed to be new to this case. 23 Ram 1500. 97 over here, so that's new to the case. I think we got one earlier. This is going to be the recolor. I think we had the white on black, so there's the red on black. Hot Wheels 4 track. This one's new to the case. A little F1 car. And the Roadster. I'm trying to do the engine noises. 3 R's on the front there for the 2024 Women's Day. And then the West Coast Flyer. That was from the last case. And moving on, we have 07 Chevy Tahoe in the rescue colors in yellow there. Got that in the last case. Got this in the last case as well, the Mod Rod. Love the colors on that, and this is new to the case. Grass Chomper, the gray lawnmower, number 93. Still no regular treasure hunt. Honda Civic Custom. I actually love this casting. I'm a huge fan of it. They got the side deco, but no front and back deco for this one. We got the one on the hood. Maybe spent all their money doing that one. The GMC Hummer EV there. We've seen that before. And the Mod Rod again. Seen that. Moving on. We got the 78 Dodge Lil Red Express truck. We got that in the last case. Nice to see another one of those. And a Batman and Robin Batmobile. Next case, you'll see this will be the regular treasure hunt. 67 Camaro in this blue techie color. Blueprint, I guess. Blueprint colors. Ooh, it's got an R on it, so it's going to spell something probably for the end of that, for the art series. And then we got another wheelie chair, another rock and roller, and the GT Scorcher. That's a nice little fantasy car, black and purple for the Let's Race. Oh, I didn't get one in the last case, but we're getting one now. Not this one, Baja Bison. We've seen that before. Street Winner. We've seen that before, but not from last year. They put that one in retirement for a year, but it is new to the case. This one, the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966 in this red. Was supposed to be new to the case last time, but I didn't get one. I did get a Super, though, so that's fine. I'll put that off to the side on the highlights. No regular treasure hunt, and we're halfway through the box. What a shame. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and probably wouldn't hurt to go check out my other content. I'm trying to get them watch hours upped. That'd be great. Oh, and perfect time for a coffee break. Oh, what's this? We have merchandise? Oh, no. What the? Yeah, shirts, cups, hoodies. I'm wearing the hoodie now. It's kind of chilly here. Moving on. All right, I don't see much. I'm trying to see if I can sneak peek the Super. Oh, I see the Mercedes. I don't know if it is a Super, though. Here is the Roger Dodger, number 77, new to the case. And then another Roadster in this purple. And then the 10 Camaro SS in this beautiful green. So I'll put that off to the side. Hopefully we get a regular treasure hunt. That'd be a shame if I get no regular treasure hunt and no super treasure hunt. It's happened to me once before in the 2023 Q case where not a single treasure or super was in the case. Batman and Robin Batmobile again. The 73 Jeep J10 again. We've seen that before. And the Mad Mike Drift Attack. That is from Q carryover last year. This is a recolor of that in this matte gray. Okay. Next up, another 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. Pagani Zonda R, this red one. And another DeLorean Alpha in this beautiful white. Ooh, I'm going to get another one. I didn't get one last time, but I'm going to get another one. Another Mazda here. Another West Coast Flyer. And another Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966. I actually really like this, mainly for the spare tire down the middle here. That's actually pretty sweet. They did a good job with this one. I'm not sure if we're getting recoders of it, though. Here we go. Hot Wheels Ultimate T-Rex Transport. Got that in the last case. 87 Quattro in red. And a Surfin' School Bus. Got that last time as well. And here is our first 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. This would be the Super Treasure Hunt if it was in Spectral Flame Red. This looks regular red to me. So not going to be the Super. Shame. It's $130 on eBay right now for the Super Treasure Hunt. Mad Mike Drift Attack in this gray. And the Pagani Zonda R in this beautiful red. All right, moving on. Still no regular. That's kind of a shame. Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0 in the civilian gray colors. Again, we're going to see a nice new one to the case. Again, the 60 Chevy C10. Look at that. Look at how good they did on this casting. Well, honestly, the paint. The casting's really older. What are we at? This is from 2013? Yeah, 2013. Very popular car, though, but I love that. And the 92 Honda Civic EG. Again, we're going to see another one of those, so that's pretty sweet. Moving on, we got new to the case, Group C Fantasy. Actually, 74. That might be from the last case. 07 Chevy Tahoe. Seen that. And the McLaren Solus GT, we've seen that. Nothing new to note there. Hopefully this doesn't fall. I'm kind of stacking them high. Oh my. Are we seriously back-to-backing it? Yes, we are. Group C Fantasy. Wait for it. Stash. And here is the Super Treasure Hunt 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Oh my. We did it again, folks. We've pulled it off. 2 Supers back to freaking back. There is the gold. This one is way better than the BMW from the last case. This is insane. 2 Supers back to back. Wow, here you go. Compare the two. There's the regular. There's the Super. This is insane. I can't believe I just got this back to back. This is going right to my collection. I literally told myself I better bring a Protecto in case I pull this, and I freaking forgot. Oh my gosh. Piranha Terror. The rest of this case is looking good too. Actually, this is new to the case. That's pretty sweet. Another Street Wiener and a Hot Wheeler We saw that in the last case. Mazda RX-7, new to the case, number 80 of the bunch, so that's going to be a highlight, the police version of that. Oh, nice. Ice Charger from the Fast and Furious series in gray here, number 78, new to the case. And this didn't pull a regular one, but this was the Super from the last case, BMW 507. I did pull the Super. Check that video out if you want to see my reaction for that. But I am glad to see that I have the regular version now, because I only got a Super, unlike this case where I got regular and Super. But it looks like, guys, we're not getting the regular treasure hunt. Glory Chaser, I guess offsetting the regular treasure hunt, they hooked us up with the Super, a Batman and Robin Batmobile, and the 57 Jeep FC. We've seen that in the previous case. That is insane. For highlights, obviously, this was highlight from the last case, BMW 507, but I never pulled the regular, so we're going to highlight that. The Ice Charger in gray here from the Fast and Furious, that's a highlight. The Mazda RX-7, that's, of course, going to be a highlight. For me, again, these are my highlights. The Piranha Terror, that's a highlight because it's new. We're going to also pull this bad boy out. The 92 Honda Civic EG is going to be a highlight. And then this 67G Chevy C10 highlight for me as well. The Alfa Romeo in the civilian colors is going to be a highlight. The DeLorean Alpha 5 is going to be a highlight for me as well. And then, what else we got? We got the Roger Dodger. That's a highlight. Always a popular casting. I do like how they did this one in gray. I like last year's a lot as well. And then the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint in red is going to be a highlight. But, of course, we cannot forget about the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG and his buddy, the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC Super Treasure Hunt. 2 Supers back-to-back case. That is insane. Here it is. This is the international version, not the US version. But I am stoked. Wow. Insane, guys. If you liked everything you saw today, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out the merch links in the description and also in the profile. And I hope to see you everybody next time. As always, thanks for watching, and deuces.